Ireland has a new global business success in the field of innovative engineering solutions, and that story began here in County Monaghan. Combilift is a local company that was founded in 1998 and today is proud to take its place among the leaders of cutting-edge manufacturing, having developed the first engine-powered, all-wheel drive, multi-directional forklift. Over the last 8 years, its growth has been nothing short of incredible. Since the small beginnings of its first sale in '98, it now exports to over 40 countries all over the world, from Finland in the northern hemisphere to Tasmania in the southern. Combilift sales are forecasted to grow up to €100 million by 2010, and that growth is reflected in the €10 million investment in a new global headquarters on the outskirts of Monaghan town.
Of course, when you're in an engineering business, you're always thinking of new products, new concepts. But based on the current market knowledge we had, we did see a big growth in the handling of long load material in different market segments. And that's what encouraged us to head towards the Combilift product. There's over 300 manufacturers of forklift trucks worldwide, but since we're in the market, we know we can be the leader in what we're doing, and we are the leader, and that's going to keep our business motivated. We, the innovators of the Combilift concept, can allow you, the customer, to handle your long or awkward loads more efficiently, where space is at a premium and safety is a priority.
The Combilift has a number of unique features. It can operate in all 4 directions, it can move backwards and forwards like a normal forklift, and it can move sideways like a side loader. The conversion from forward mode to sideways mode is within 3 seconds. Combilift can offer an integrated fork positioner that enables the operator to allow the forks to hydraulically extend to the front of the Combilift. This enables the operator to lift the load from ground level. When the operator needs to work in a very confined area, the forks can easily be retracted. The Combilift is available in internal combustion diesel, LP gas or battery-powered models.
Unlike a regular forklift, this machine goes in 4 directions. So you can pick up the load, a long load, go into 4 directions, go sideways. And this allows you to go through a warehouse and save at least 50% space over a conventional forklift.
Well, in 1998 I was visiting Robert in the factory one day, and he was showing me this new forklift that he was developing. It was still in a very embryonic state. They were welding it together, but when he explained the principle of it to me, I immediately said to him, I want one. We didn't even discuss price because I knew it was an ideal product for the situation that I needed. I'm very proud of the fact that I have the first Combilift ever made. It's proved a tremendous boost to my business. It's allowed me to get 6 metre lengths through a 3 metre door, and we now have a Combilift in each of our depots. As our business is diversified, we are now handling more pallets, and we don't need an extra forklift. The Combilift handles the pallets just as well as would a conventional forklift, so we're actually getting 2 forklifts for the price of 1.
The multi-award-winning company Combilift was founded by Martin McVicker and Robert Moffat. They now head up a team of over 150 employees from their facility in Ireland, a team that will shortly rise to 250 as the company grows that business for its brand new manufacturing facility. Combilift's success has been in providing tailored solutions to meet customer demands, and this relationship with their customers is one of the unique elements of Combilift.
If we have an interlock that you have to lift the pallet 50 millimetre, you could probably afford to have a gauge rail that's 50. Now, I'm sure there's other reasons to consider optical, but
the guide body basically.
The way Combilift's set up, everything we produce is built to order, and it's built to order because we're prepared to customise everything we produce to suit every particular customer requirement, down to the last nut and bolt. And what we're prepared to do is look at each particular customer's requirement, and we will modify the design of our product to totally satisfy that customer need.
Research and development is driven by our customer. He will come up with a problem and we will come up with a solution. We spend 10% of our turnover in R&D every year, and only for this we wouldn't be where we are today.
The Combilift product is unique as it provides a customised handling solution to companies of all sizes with diverse needs and across many different applications. One of those companies is Europe's largest timber frame home manufacturer, Kingspan Century.
Well, like many businesses, space is a premium, and the use of Combilift provided us with a solution to our space problems, particularly in terms of access through our buildings, access between our buildings, and equally importantly, actually access between our trailers whenever we're loading our product. So instead of having to build more buildings, by the use of the Combilift we were able to actually increase our output without actually having to increase our capital expenditure. With regard to the after-sales service from Combilift, I would have to say that if the rest of our suppliers were to provide us with the same service of Combilift, we would be very, very happy people. They're absolutely first class. They really look after their product and they really look after their customer.
Within our business, even though the forklift truck is the core business, we have a dedicated department that just works on warehouse layouts. So what we can do for our customers, if we can get a layout of their new warehouse or proposed warehouse, we'll work with them and come up with an optimum layout which will show them how much more the Combilift can allow them to store in their building. And in a lot of cases we can allow companies to expand their business within their current building without actually expanding and adding new premises.
We moved to this new facility here in 2002, and at the design stage we contacted Combilift for their advice on timber storage facilities. They recommended the guide roller system, which I'm delighted that we took their advice. We designed our store with guide rails, and we bought a new Combilift with guide rollers. We find it to be invaluable. The guide rollers assist in maximising the space available for the timber storage. It also, I suppose, makes it safer from a user point of view, less likelihood of doing damage to either product or the racking system itself.
That area is the biggest growing area because it's not just engineering, it's sales support, and we want to see ourselves as more of a solution-focused company, supporting the salespeople to sell the concept in the marketplace. So that area is definitely going to grow a lot in the future.
As the world leader in the long load handling market, Combilift can look to the future confident that their cutting-edge engineering will continue its impressive growth into new markets and new applications.